When I say cryptocurrency, the vast majority of you will probably think of Bitcoin, the most popular cryptocurrency today and the most expensive one too. But did you know that there is another cryptocurrency that many people don't even know about? One that is just as good as Bitcoin, but not as popular? It's called Ethereum. It's the second most popular cryptocurrency nowadays. And in this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how you can get paid in Ethereum or any other cryptocurrency you want, no matter where you are from and what device you have, since this works for users with smartphones and people with laptops and computers. That means you can get paid if you're at home, but also if you're not, making this one of the best ways to get paid online. Now, with that said, making money online through this strategy is not the only way, obviously. So if you are interested in another method, one that would be just as effective, if not better, then you want to check out this software here, one that you can use to make big money online doing little to no work in the process. To access it, just click on the first link down in the description. And with all of that said, guys, let's now jump straight into this tutorial. As you have all heard, today I will show you how you can get paid through cryptocurrency. Now, before we go on, it's worth noting that I'll be focusing on Ethereum in particular, but you can literally get paid in any cryptocurrency you want, as I will show you later on in the video. Anyhow, the main platform we will be using today to make money online is this one right here called Latium.org. Many of you probably have not heard of this site, so let me first explain what it's about. It's a freelancing site, very similar to Fiverr.com, for example, a site most of you have heard about. On here, you can basically come and work if you want to make money, or you can hire someone to do the work for you if you're either unwilling or simply don't have the skills to do the job yourself and you need someone to do it for you. The big difference between Latium and the majority of other freelancing sites like Fiverr, People Per Hour, and Guru is that Latium will pay you in cryptocurrency, so you can get paid for your work in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and much more. All of the cryptocurrencies you can get paid through I will show you later on. By scrolling down a bit on Latium, you'll be able to see some of the more popular services that are sought after on this site. You have translation, logo design, article writing, and proofreading. By clicking on this arrow, you will be able to see more services that are popular. You've got Photoshop editing, transcription, which in my opinion is one of the best services to offer on sites like these, since it isn't that hard. And apart from these mentioned, you have many more that I won't go over so that I don't prolong this video. Now, we will be focusing on one particular type of service on this website, and we will want to offer it. So yes, you will want to work on this website. We will not be investing a single dollar into this platform whatsoever because this is 100% free. I will show you a service literally every single one of you watching this can offer, one that requires no skills, no experience, and that can get you paid quite decently for your work. Since you do want to work on this platform, what you now want to do, guys, is come back up on the homepage and then click on I Want to Work here. They will now ask you to enter in your email address so you can sign up. Alternatively, you can just sign up via Google, Facebook, or Apple. This is how I signed up myself and how I recommend you all do so. If you insist on signing up via email, then you'll have to type in your email address here and then hit continue below. From there, you'll need to enter in your info about yourself, such as where you're from, your full name, you'll have to type in your biography, just basic stuff, and only then will you be able to log into your new account. When you actually log in, this is how everything will now look. As you can see, it says here, get verified and start working today. And before you all freak out thinking that you have to invest money into this site, that's actually not the case. No, you don't have to get verified so you can start working on this platform. It's noteworthy that if you do get verified, chances are you'll be able to make more money. How much more you will make, you can see down here. On average, people that are verified earn almost twice as much money per project they do. And they get hired 3 times as often as people who are unverified. So you can see here that it does make a pretty substantial difference on the amount of money you'll be able to make if you're verified. So I would recommend you guys do this. Work on the website first, earn some money, and then you'll want to invest into the platform so you get verified so you can earn more money in the long run. Getting verified now isn't a great idea since you probably won't have that much money on your hands. So it's my recommendation that you do it later on when you will essentially be giving away a tiny portion of your profits rather than investing your money into this site. And with that said, just before we get to the service you want to offer, I want to really quick show you how you will be getting paid. You can all see that yourselves by clicking on Wallet right up here. Take a look at this now. Not only can you get paid through any one of these cryptocurrencies, but you can also get paid in cash. So if you don't like crypto and you just don't want to bother with it, you can actually get paid in cash from this website, so not just crypto per se. Speaking of, you can see the sheer amount of cryptocurrencies offered is amazing to say the least. You have BAT here, which stands for Basic Attention Token. You then have Bitcoin, unsurprisingly. Next, we've got Bitcoin Gold, Dent, Dragon Chain, and most importantly for us, Ethereum, what this video is all about. Now, I won't go into depth with all the cryptocurrencies offered here. You guys can do that on your own. I just wanted to show you that you can get paid in cash, but also in Ethereum through this website. So let's get to that service that you'll want to offer. That service is usability testing. If you click on Find Projects here and then on the left-hand side here select Usability Testing, you will be able to see all of these people who are willing to pay the likes of you literally $10 or more for just testing out various apps. For this, you do not need any skills whatsoever. You don't need to be a programmer or whatever. They just need everyday people like me and you to test out the apps for them. The reason is that the apps may have bugs, so they need testers to test them out and see if they're working as intended. And they will pay you for testing them out, as easy as that. In essence, you will just get paid for using apps. I mean, it doesn't get any easier than that. It goes to show you why you will want to offer this particular service on Latium and seek it out as well, of course. You can be on your phone or laptop, at home or on the bus, for example. You could be traveling somewhere and perhaps you don't have anything better to do. You could just open up your phone, test out some apps, and get paid. If you don't have any skills or experience on freelancing sites, then this is one of the best services to offer. It's just all around easy. Moreover, the fact that you can do this on your phone is just as important. It means that you don't need a computer per se, and it also means that you can work essentially while you're away from home. Yet another cool thing about being a tester on a freelancing site like Latium. So go out there, guys, register to this site and start making money online right now.